guys and girls, good morning. I hope you stay safe and healthy by the grace of Allah. As you know, speaking is a fun. Today, our topic is the use of imperatives in spoken English language. Girls and guys, imperatives are used to give orders and to make requests. Let us make a practice with generally spoken imperatives. As you can see on this whiteboard, first one is switch on the light, switch on the light, switch on the light, switch on the light, बिजली जलाइए, switch on the light, बिजली जलाइए. Next one is respect the elders, respect the elders, respect the elders, respect the elders, बड़ों का एहतराम कीजिए, respect the elders, बड़ों का एहतराम कीजिए. Next one is obey the parents, obey the parents, obey the parents, obey the parents, वालदैन का अदब कीजिए, obey the parents, obey the parents, वालदैन का अदब कीजिए. Next one is say the prayers punctually, say the prayers punctually, say the prayers punctually, बाकायदगी से नमाज पढ़िए, बाकायदगी से नमाज पढ़िए, बाकायदगी से नमाज पढ़िए. Say the prayers punctually, say the prayers punctually, बाकायदगी से नमाज पढ़िए. Next one is help the poor, help the poor, गुरबा की मदद कीजिए, गुरबा की मदद कीजिए. Help the poor, help the poor, और गुरबा की मदद कीजिए. Be honest, be honest, be honest. Next imperative is be honest, दयानतदार बनिए, दयानतदार बनिए. Next one is avoid the evils, avoid the evils, avoid the evils, avoid the evils, बुराइयों से बचिए. Next one is clean your nose, clean your nose, clean your nose, clean your nose, अपनी नाक साफ कीजिए, अपनी नाक साफ कीजिए. Next one is get ready, get ready, get ready, तैयार हो जाइए, get ready, get ready, तैयार हो जाइए. Next one is show patience, show patience, show patience, सब्र का मुजाहरा कीजिए. Show patience, show patience, सब्र का मुजाहरा कीजिए. And last imperative is keep good company, keep good company, keep good company, अच्छी सोहबत इख्तियार कीजिए. Keep good company, keep good company, अच्छी सोहबत इख्तियार कीजिए. Guys and girls, let's revise these once again. Speak these along with me. First one is switch on the light, switch on the light, बिजली जलाइए. Next one is respect the elders, respect the elders, बड़ों का एहतराम कीजिए. Next is obey the parents, obey the parents, obey the parents, वालदैन का अदब कीजिए. And next one is say the prayer punctually, say the prayer punctually, say the prayer punctually, बाकायदगी से नमाज पढ़िए. Next is help the poor, help the poor, help the poor, गुरबा की मदद कीजिए. Next is be honest, be honest, be honest, दयानतदार बनिए. Next is avoid the evils, avoid the evils, avoid the evils, बुराइयों से बचिए, बुराइयों से बचिए. Next is clean your nose, clean your nose, clean your nose, अपनी नाक साफ कीजिए. Next one is get ready, get ready, get ready, तैयार हो जाइए. Next is show patience, show patience, show patience, show patience, सब्र का मुजाहरा कीजिए. Show patience, सब्र का मुजाहरा कीजिए. Next is keep good company, keep good company, keep good company, अच्छी सोहबत इख्तियार कीजिए. Keep good company, keep good company, अच्छी सोहबत इख्तियार कीजिए. That's it, guys and girls. Now you have to make a lot of practice, a spoken practice, and you must pronounce these in a proper accent, and by doing this you will be able to speak a good English. I wish you all the best. Goodbye.